Good afternoon, morning. Welcome to Tortoise tutorials, where we get to the point. The first thing you're going to need to do is download the media creation tool by clicking on this button over here. After which you'll be greeted by this window over here where you click accept, and then it does some faffing.
What?
Then you click next. Then you make an ISO. Then I'm just going to replace the one that I already made earlier, as you can see, to this folder over here, and I'm just going to say yes. Then it will download and make the file. Then you click finish. Then you get yourself some Rufus. Then you plug in your flash drive and you select the ISO. Now, no jokes, when you actually click start, it's got a couple of very cool options. You can tell Windows to shut up in a lot of very nice ways, especially with stupid things like BitLocker. You can pre-name the account that you want to use. These are actually kind of a nice improvements over here that you can, add on to this that I've actually never seen before until I was doing this making this thing. You know what I mean? Making this tutorial. But yes, then you just click OK, and then it'll say it's going to erase the flash drive. It's fine, and then it'll make your bootable flash drive. And then once it's made that creation media, you plug it in and you boot from your flash drive. Hey presto, it's that difficult these days. Rufus is flipping awesome. It works for Linux, it works for Windows 10, it works for a bunch of stuff. So yeah, use your Rufus, get your ISO from the site, save it to your PC, then you can always redeploy it. I don't like deploying straight from the creation media tool to the flash in case the flash is faulty or something. Then you lose the ISO, then you got to start again. That would suck. And anyway, that has been your Tortoise tutorial in a flash.